Hello YouTubers, it's time for another unboxing video. And once again we had a successful show, so it's time to restock more items. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Of course, packing peanuts. What else would we get? Okay, first things first. Mornev Wood Carving Jr. The orange Mornev Scout Safe. The green Mornev Scout. Mornev Hatchet. A bunch of knives for the $5 box. Two more rakes. Cheap assisted folder. And again. More cheap stuff for the $5 box. Another cheap assisted folder. A whole bunch more of those little whistles Trinity likes to give away to kids. Oh yeah, British Army clasp knife. Trinity's been wanting one of these. I picked up a used one at the last show, but we have a new one. Ooh, that's stiff. These are made in Sheffield, England. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah. Some cheap folding saws that I got for the $5 box. I wasn't really paying attention to how big they were when I ordered them, but now I know. Opinel number 7. Condor Jackal gut hook skinner. Condor mini bush lure. That's a usual bigger box than they usually put for those. More hook knife, the 162 and the 163. More stuff for the $5 box. And more knives for the $5 box. And the last thing, survival matches. It should be waterproof. Alright, that's it for this week.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.